Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. If you're in the life insurance space, especially working in claims management, then you know just how complex and time consuming this part of the business can be. Endless paperwork, multiple systems, different formats, and often emotional situations for the policyholder. It's a tough balance between accuracy, speed, and empathy. Lately, I've been diving into how generative AI is starting to reshape this space. And I have to say, it's not just hype anymore. This technology is actively being used to streamline claims processes, improve accuracy, and enhance the customer experience. And the potential? It's pretty impressive. So let's break it down. At its core, generative AI learns from vast amounts of existing data and can generate new content from it, text, summaries, even predictive insights. When paired with intelligent document processing, or IDP, it becomes a real game changer. Think of it this way. Instead of your team manually reviewing medical documents, policy forms, or loss reports, the AI can read, understand, and extract key information across different formats faster and more accurately. It's more than just automation, it's understanding context. And that speeds up everything from intake to decision making. Some reports even suggest that claims can be resolved up to 37% faster using these technologies. That's not just an internal efficiency, it's a better experience for policyholders, often during a tough time in their lives. We're also seeing AI-powered chatbots take the front line. They guide customers through the first steps of filing a claim, answer common questions instantly, and ensure the right information is gathered early on. That's a win-win. It reduces call center load and builds trust with customers through timely responses. But it's not just about speed. Fraud detection is another major area where generative AI is making a difference. These systems can detect subtle anomalies in data, patterns that might slip by a human reviewer. One recent study predicted that 83% of insurers will be using generative AI for fraud detection by 2026. That's huge. It means more valid claims get paid out faster, and the company stays protected against loss. Another big one, regulatory compliance. Let's face it, staying audit ready is no small feat. Generative AI can help by performing real-time checks and flagging potential compliance issues automatically. It reduces errors, supports internal audit functions, and minimizes legal risk. And then there's the economic benefit. From reduced manual processing to fewer erroneous payouts, global savings could cross $100 billion over time. That's a lot of money redirected toward innovation, customer service, or even competitive premiums. But let's be real. There are challenges. AI isn't foolproof. If the system misinterprets a document early in the claims process, that error can cascade. That's why human oversight remains absolutely critical. We're not replacing expertise, we're enhancing it. Another big challenge is data. AI needs a lot of clean, unbiased, high-quality data to work effectively. But in insurance, that's not always easy to come by. Add to that evolving privacy regulations and legacy IT systems, and implementation can feel daunting. You can't just plug this into a mainframe and expect magic. That said, we are seeing real-world applications already. AI is helping assess new claims the moment they arrive, flagging unusual entries, summarizing complex physician statements, and even raising compliance alerts before issues escalate. Looking forward, we're likely to see even more advanced applications, like automatically populating data fields, sending proactive updates to policyholders, and even enabling hyper-personalized policy offerings. All of that while maintaining strict data privacy controls. Of course, governance will become just as important as the technology itself. Things like AI bias audits, transparency standards, and ethical frameworks will be central to responsible use. So, what's the takeaway? Generative AI presents a real opportunity to transform claims management in life insurance, from faster processing and better fraud detection to improved accuracy and customer satisfaction. But it requires strategic thinking, investment in the right infrastructure, and above all, a balanced approach that keeps humans in the loop. If you're in this business, it might be time to start thinking, where could AI support us first? Maybe a small-scale trial? Maybe just building internal literacy. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.